Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add donation using PayPal payment method in Elementor Pro WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using Elementor Pro plugin. On left side you see search widget. So right here PayPal. Now you see PayPal button. Now drag and drop here. So we are going to add donation. Now you see pricing and payment, and then you see PayPal account. So you can add your email, and then you see transaction type, drop down, select donation. Now you see item name. So you can add item name according to your requirement. So we added item name charity, and then you see donation amount fixed or any amount. So you can select according to your requirement. So fixed. Now $10. Now you see currency USD. So you can select currency according to your requirement from drop down, and then you see button. So click on it. Now you see text buy now. Now right here donation. Now you see text change, and then you see alignment, and then you see icon. So PayPal icon library. So you can select icon according to your requirement. Now select. Now you see, and then you see icon position before text, after text. So you can select according to your requirement, and then you see icon spacing, and then you see additional options. So click on it. Then you see redirect after success. So you can add page URL according to your requirement. After successfully user redirect to this page. Now you see sandbox. So if you want, you can enable it. So this is for testing purpose. And then you see open PayPal in new tab, enable, and then you see custom messages, enable. So you can add error message, and then you can add PayPal not connected message. Now on top you see pricing and payment. So we are going to add email account. So we added PayPal account email. Now you see style. So click on it, and then you see button typography, and then you see normal hover. So you can add background type color, and then you see hover. So you can add border color, background type. So scroll down, you see messages. Then you see a typography for messages. So you can add color scheme according to your requirement. Now you see advanced. So click on it. So you can add margin and padding, and then you see other setting. So click on update. Now update done. Go to website page and refresh the page. Now scroll down, you see donation. So click on it. Now you see donate to, and this is our account name, and then you see charity, and then you see amount $10 USD, and then you see donate with PayPal. Back to setting. Now you see content. So click on it, and then you see donation amount fixed. Now change any amount, then click on update. Now update done. Go to website page and refresh the page again. Now scroll down, you see donation. So click on it. Now you see donate to, and then you see this is our text charity. Now you see dollar amount 0. Now click on it. So you can add amount according to your requirement. Now $100. If you want, you can make this a monthly donation, and then you see button. So in this way you can add donation using PayPal payment method in Elementor Pro WordPress. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.